We will show you how to easily remove vocals from a song in Audacity with a free AI Audacity plugin. First, make sure Audacity is closed, then open up your browser. Go to the link from the description below and click on Download for Windows. Open up the installation and only install the music separation models. Open up your song in Audacity.
Another Friday night.
Select your song on the soundtrack. Go to Effect, Open Vino AI Effects, Open Vino Music Separation. Press Apply and wait for it to finish. You will find additional tracks. Remove everything and leave only the instrumental track. All done. Please subscribe.